So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is our house tour. So first, we will show you our front yard. I'm so sorry guys, but I'm gonna try to speak in Tagalog or English na ha. So this is the kids' place. Dito sila naglalaro and all. And this is our chill place. And this is our DIY na ginawa kahapon. We are still deciding on what to put sa wall. And over here, this is not final pa. So we are still deciding kung ano pang ilalagay namin. But this is our front yard. Hi guys! Welcome to our house! So first, pagpasok nyo, you're gonna see the shoe cabinet. So medyo malaki ang storage ng shoe cabinet namin. And then, when you come here to this part, so explain namin ni Dada. So this is all our DIYs pala. And here, we condemn namin to na door because this is a door para sa playroom sa kids. And then from there, sa entrance up to here, in this part is the toilet. And this is our laundry room, lavatory, and bathroom. So, makita sa nato ang toilet. Makita. So that's our toilet. And next one is our laundry room. So paglabas niya sa toilet is our staircase. So later na yan, we're gonna show you our main room. So, ta-da! In this part is our kitchen and this part is our dining and living room. So, this is our dining room. I'm very sorry if wala nag-match ang chair. It's because we're planning to do a DIY bench on this side. So, this is our living room. Just a disclaimer guys, we are not doing this to brag on what we have or anything. We are just showing you our house as many of our friends requested for a house tour. So most of our things here are from our old apartment pa. It's either DIY or thrifted lang talaga ang mga gamit namin. You're gonna find brand new pero konti lang masyado. Most of it are thrifted good. So, like that, that's Dada's DIY. This is my DIY. This is thrifted. This is from our old apartment. This is new here. So, that's thrifted and DIYs, this corner. The TV is thrifted. And this is brand. So, next is the kids' playroom. So, we put a gate lang to avoid na ang mga toys mapunta sa living room. Guys, Rain is sleeping. So here, this is our kids' playroom. So this is a cabinet, obviously. So, gawa namin siya na storage and medyo kalat siya, so let's not open that. So, most of the toys also are thrifted and mga passed on. So, yeah. So, next is the kitchen. So, we also have a gate. This is Dada's vacuum. His favorite gadget. Here is our kitchen. Not that big, but it's okay. And thrifted. So, here. Nothing much. So, hindi ko na i-open isa-isa ang mga drawer because privacy. So, this is my favorite part of the kitchen. This is not a fake plant, that's a real plant. So, yes, we store our kids' food here, our food. And let's not open the refrigerator, please. Monitor if someone if may tao sa labas, then mag-doorbell sila. So you can talk to them here. Intercom ba tawag? I don't know. So basta yan. You can talk to them here and you can see them here. And remote for our living room light. So si Dada ang gumawa nito. Ito. Dalawa yan dyan. But since nagti-TikTok ako, natamaan ko and nabasag. What do you want? So, these frames are from IKEA. Sabihin ko na lang if ma-remember ko because I know many of you will ask. So, these are thrifted, fake pampas grass. I can find real ones. So, that. Our Google Home. This is free from YouTube actually. Let's go to the second floor. So guys, this is fake plant and this is real plant. Thanks to my ate Goy, my sister, for teaching me how to take care of these plants. So pagkaakyat nyo, we have 3 rooms up here. 1, 2, and the master's bedroom. Unfortunately, I cannot let you in these 2 rooms because, in case you didn't know, my papa is currently staying with us. So this is his room right now. In this room, medyo malaki din siya and we have 2 storage there. Isang wall na cabinet. Meron siyang mini room lang sa loob for storage. And this is our kids room / office / craft room. I cannot let you in there because andyan lahat ng gamit sa negosyo namin ni Dada. So, Dada requested na for privacy na lang, hindi namin siya i-open. So, in this side is our toilet here in the second floor. This is my favorite toilet, guys. It's color pink.
Color pink.
So, unlike sa baba, ang toilet cover is not automatic. Sa baba kasi, when you open the door, automatic na mag-open yung cover. But here, it's not automatic. Pero both merong washlet. So this is the master's bedroom. Our room. So when you come in, bed agad. Bed agad, yes. And in case you're wondering why we have extra futong here, it's because my 2 kids sleeps on the floor. They don't like sleeping on the bed and na-explain ko na sa other vlogs ko. So this is our workspace. Hi Jessa!
Wow!
I'm currently watching her live streaming. Actually music live streaming lang na guys. Books. Because I love books. So this is our desk. So mag-detail pa ta. Here is my books, Dada's camera equipments, churba. This is some of the decors and some of the laundry that hindi ko pa na-fold. And this is our balcony, but we're not gonna show it to you because we might spoil you with our next DIY project. Medyo malaki din siya because we have sliding door here and the other room also naka-connect siya. So, bali, ang second floor, naka-balcony. Our walk-in closet. Ito talaga, guys. Ito yung reason why me and Dada set our hearts on this house because of this closet. So, this is my area. This is my makeup area. Medyo simple na lang because I'm not that addicted to makeup anymore. Here. This is Dada's side, and this is my side. And this is where we hide our chocolates. So, this is our walk-in closet. This is it. So this, in case you're wondering, my sister-in-law, Ate Kate, made this. And this is our wedding picture. The only recent picture we have. Spacious siya na closet. Just like sa baba, most of these are thrifted also. Thrifted. Yeah, that's it. And most of our decors are from Secret. So, let's go downstairs. Disclaimer. So that's it for our home tour, guys. We are not completely done with our place, but since some of our viewers wanted a house tour, so here it is. Again, and again, just a disclaimer, we are not bragging. So I hope you like this video, share, subscribe, please subscribe, and comment down below what kinds of videos you want to see next. Bye!